Hello, everyone. If you're on the hunt for the best cordless vacuums for this year, you've come to the right place. We've carefully researched and compiled the ultimate list of best cordless vacuums, taking into account pricing, performance, and various use cases. Stay tuned to find the perfect cordless vacuum that matches your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for product links featuring the best deals available. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first one on our list is the Shark PowerDetect. What makes it stand out is its auto-empty system. After every clean, it empties itself into the dock and recharges, so it's always ready when you need it. This vacuum has really strong suction, perfect for picking up dirt, dust, and even pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The Duo Clean Detect nozzle is designed with two brush rolls that clean in both directions, forward and backward. This means it cleans faster and doesn't leave dirt behind. It also has smart PowerDetect technology, which senses dirt and adjusts the suction and brush speed automatically based on the floor type. It's great for high-traffic areas because it ensures even the hidden messes get cleaned. One of my favorite features is the Multiflex wand. It bends, so you can easily clean under furniture without bending yourself. Plus, you can fold it down for compact storage. The HEPA filter is another big plus. It traps dust, allergens, and odors, which is ideal if you have pets or allergies. For those tricky corners and edges, the vacuum boosts suction power and uses LED headlights to brighten dark spots, making sure you don't miss anything. It also has an impressive runtime, lasting up to 70 minutes on eco mode, so you can clean larger areas without needing to stop and recharge. However, I do wish the eco mode worked on carpets to make it more versatile, as you can only use this on hard floors. Still, with its strong suction, self-emptying dock, and smart features, it's a great choice for quick and easy cleaning. Next, we have the Tineco Pure 1 S15 Pet. What's special about it is the anti-tangle brush, which prevents hair from getting stuck in the brush, so you don't have to waste time untangling it. The vacuum has zero-tangle technology. It helps stop hair, whether it's long or short, from wrapping around the brush. This feature makes cleaning pet hair much easier. It also uses pure cyclone technology to separate air and dust, which keeps the filter from clogging and helps the vacuum keep strong suction. The filter captures 99.9% of small particles, like dust and allergens, making it a great choice for anyone with allergies. One of the coolest features is the iLoop Smart Sensor. This sensor automatically changes the suction power based on how dirty the surface is, making the cleaning more efficient. Another convenient feature is the one-touch trigger. When you want to empty the dustbin, just press a button, and the dust and hair will be pushed out without you having to touch it. Also, the vacuum is lightweight and can be turned into a handheld device, which makes it easy to clean floors, carpets, furniture, and even cars. Plus, the LED headlights help you see in dark areas under furniture and in corners. And it comes with a freestyle charging base, so you don't need to install anything on your walls to store and charge it. However, when vacuuming on hard floors, it did well with smaller debris, but was challenged with larger items. But overall, it's a great vacuum for pet owners and anyone who wants an easy-to-use, efficient cleaner. Next, we have the Levoit LVAC 200, and it's a great option if you're looking for the best budget-friendly vacuum cleaner. This vacuum gives you up to 50 minutes of cleaning time on eco mode, which is pretty impressive for a cordless vacuum. The best part is that it has a tangle-resistant brush, so you won't have to spend time untangling hair after every use, which is perfect if you have pets. Also, the suction is powerful enough to clean up messes quickly, whether you're dealing with dust on hard floors or pet hair on low-pile carpets. It's also lightweight, so you can easily move it around your home without getting tired. The vacuum can lie flat, which helps you clean under furniture without any hassle. It even has 3 LED lights to help you spot dust in darker areas, so you don't miss any spots. If you have pets, the 2-in-1 pet tool makes cleaning pet hair easy, and the dusting brush doubles as a crevice tool for cleaning tight spaces. Moreover, the dustbin is large enough to hold a good amount of debris, and it empties with one click, making it quick and simple to prepare for the next cleaning session. The vacuum also has a 5-stage filtration system, which captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring the air is cleaner and fresher. I think the handle shape might feel a little odd when using it as a handheld vacuum. But apart from that, this vacuum is super affordable, easy to use, and powerful. Seriously, a great option for everyday cleaning. On number 4, we have the Dyson V15 Detect. It's great for anyone who needs a powerful, smart vacuum that adjusts to clean different floors and picks up dust and long hair. This vacuum is cordless and bagless, which means no need to worry about cords or replacing bags. It also has a HEPA filter, making it great for homes with allergies. Plus, it features a powerful digital motor that gives more suction power than older models. Also, you can clean for up to 60 minutes, depending on the mode and the floor type, so you won't have to stop and recharge often. The LCD screen shows helpful information, like how much dust has been picked up, battery life, and maintenance alerts, so you always know how it's doing. The vacuum also has a smart piezo sensor that counts dust particles and adjusts the suction to match, so the cleaning power is always right for the job. One of the best things about the Dyson V15 is the fluffy optic cleaner head. It lights up the dust you can't normally see, especially on hard floors. The digital motor bar head works on all floors and can clean up long hair without tangling. Plus, there's a hair screw tool that picks up hair and pet hair really fast. This vacuum is also versatile because you can turn it into a handheld vacuum with just one click, so it's easy to clean stairs, upholstery, or even the car. Yes, it's lightweight and comes with attachments for every part of your home. While it's a bit expensive, the performance and long battery life make it worth the investment. On number 5, we have the Dreame H14. This vacuum is great if you need a versatile cleaner that works for both wet and dry messes. It has a 180-degree lie flat feature, which is super helpful. It can lay flat on the floor and reach places other vacuums can't. You can slide it under furniture with ease since it fits into spaces as low as 5.51 inches for the body and 3.86 inches for the brush head. This makes it much easier to clean those hidden spots where dust collects. The vacuum also has strong suction, up to 18,000 pascals, which means it can pick up both wet and dry messes very effectively. It also works well on baseboards and tight corners. I really appreciate its self-cleaning function. After you're done, the H14 cleans the brush with hot water at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It then dries the brush in just 5 minutes. This is really convenient because you don't have to clean the brush yourself. Also, it has dual rotation self-cleaning system. The brush rotates both ways, helping to pull out tangled hair. It also has a scraper that helps remove hair and dirt, making it easier to maintain the brush. The H14 offers 35 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, enough for a medium-sized home. It also has an 880 milliliter water tank with a dual tank system, so you always use clean water for mopping. Plus, it features a voice assistant in English, Spanish, and French for added convenience. However, it is on the expensive side. But overall, it's a great vacuum with powerful suction, easy cleaning features, and a user-friendly design. Last but not least, we have the Samsung Jet 75 Pet. This is a great pick if you have pets or just need a vacuum that's lightweight and easy to use. This vacuum has a strong motor that gives up to 200 AW of suction power. This means it can pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair quickly, whether it's on a carpet, hardwood floor, or even an area rug. It's very light, only about 6 pounds, so it's easy to carry around. You can use it to clean stairs, corners, and even under furniture without much effort. The vacuum's head can swivel 180 degrees, which helps when you need to turn or clean tricky spots. The best part is the removable battery, which runs for up to 60 minutes. You don't have to rush because you can clean at your own speed without worrying about it dying too soon. It also has a special filter system that traps almost all the tiny dust particles and allergens, so the air stays clean while you vacuum. It comes with some helpful tools, like a turbo brush for carpets and hardwood, a pet tool to grab all that hard-to-get pet hair, and a crevice tool for corners. There's also a digital display that shows you the battery level, brush type, and other updates. Plus, you can wash the filters and the dustbin, which keeps everything in top shape. Honestly, this isn't for super heavy cleaning jobs, but it's perfect for quick daily cleanups. It's light, powerful, and a real lifesaver for anyone who wants cleaning to feel less like a chore. You got it. So that's it for the best cordless vacuums in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.